West Palm Beach Police, open up. This is West Palm Beach Police. You gotta open the door.
If you do not leave, you will go to jail.
And this is your last warning.
How am I trespassing? I know my
You are
rights.
being told to leave
I'm
a
using
private
the bathroom.
business.
I was using the bathroom and I have
It
medical
doesn't matter.
issues. If I'm an hour, there's 2 bathrooms. I know my rights. If I was buying something, that's
I can deny
allowed. You just said I could order food.
The central legal question in this encounter is not whether the subject was rude or whether her medical claim was genuine. The question is whether her continued presence on private property after receiving a clear directive to leave constitutes criminal trespass under Florida law.
Hello.
Hi, hello.
How
Hi.
you guys doing?
Good. Just waiting for the bathroom. Have been open for more than an hour. Not sure what was going on.
Okay.
You guys knocked, has anyone answered?
Yeah, she's answering, but she just wouldn't open the door.
Did you have a key?
Okay.
I don't.
You guys don't have a key? All right.
Yeah. I found a lady in the men's room, like 6. She was on the floor. I'm not sure if she's drugged.
Okay.
Sure. Same.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll try and make contact. West Palm Beach Police, open up. This is West Palm Beach Police. You gotta open the door.
It's not public, it's private. You've been there in an hour. They need you to leave. It is a private business. They want you to leave. If you do not leave, you will go to jail.
And this is your last warning. Come out, open the door.
You're refusing to leave. That is what you're doing wrong. It's called trespassing. Well, you're trespassing on private property.
If you have medical problems, we're gonna get you medic. 10-4, son. We are still waiting outside for you.
Trespassing is a crime. Do you need the medics? You gonna go to the hospital? Okay, then you need to leave. You've been in there for an hour. You could have taken care of it already. You need to leave.
No, I'm not.
Let's go. Come on. Leave.
I don't need to leave.
You wanna go in handcuffs?
What?
Let's go. We're gonna tell you this one last time. If you don't leave, you're gonna go in handcuffs. Let's go.
I'm going where?
To jail.
To jail.
I am going to
For
school.
trespassing.
For trespassing. Grab your stuff and leave.
Private property.
Private property.
Either leave now.
How am I trespassing? I know my
You are
rights.
being told to
I'm
leave a
using
private
the bathroom.
business.
Okay. I hear you. I understand you. I am leaving in 2 minutes.
Listen,
No.
I'm gonna give you a last warning. If you don't leave, you're going in handcuffs.
All right, let's go. I'm leaving.
You're not come back on this property. You're trespassed.
How? How am I
Let's go.
trespassed?
Step
They don't
out.
want you back on this property.
Step out.
Leave the property, or you
Step
go to
out.
jail.
Step out of the property or you're going in handcuffs. Ma'am, did you hear what I said?
Motherfucker.
No, off the property.
Off the
That means
property.
Out of the parking lot.
Out of
off
the parking lot.
sidewalk.
Under Florida Statute Section 810.09, a person commits trespass when they willfully remain on property after being told to leave by the owner or an authorized representative. No written warning is required. A verbal directive is legally sufficient. Officers issued a minimum of 4 documented verbal directives before initiating arrest. Critically, officers offered to call paramedics before making that arrest. This is not a courtesy. It is a legally significant act. By providing a medical off-ramp and documenting its refusal, officers established that the subject's continued presence was willful, not medically compelled. Willfulness is a required element of Florida Statute Section 810.09. The subject's declination of medical assistance satisfies that element on the record. The subject argued she had rights on the property because the restaurant serves the public. This reflects a legally incorrect understanding of private property law. A commercial establishment open to the public remains a private entity. The invitation to enter is revocable at the owner's discretion, at any time, for any lawful reason. Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable search and seizure govern government actors. They do not constrain private property owners exercising their right to exclude.
If you come back onto this property, sidewalk or parking lot, you go to jail.
Motherfucker, bro, you are ridiculous. I was using the bathroom and I had
It
medical
doesn't matter.
issues.
Other people need to use the
I
bathroom.
know my rights.
You have no rights on private property. If they don't want you there, you have
This
to
is
leave.
not private property.
Yes, it is.
This is a public restaurant.
It is a private entity.
You know what? You know what?
This is your last chance. Leave or you go to jail.
I'm off the property.
No, you're not. You're still in their parking
And you guys want her to leave, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
because it smells inside.
Still
how
in the
people
parking
eat it.
lot.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not good.
All right. And who's the manager? You're the manager. Okay. And you want her to leave the
You're gonna
property.
get hit by a car.
Okay.
In the bathroom.
I mean, it's good for her to use the bathroom, but it's not staying for that bathroom.
Okay. As of right now, do you want her to leave the property? Okay. Ma'am, this is the manager. She's asking you to leave. All right? As of right now, you need to leave the property. I'm going to tell you this one last time. If you don't leave, you're going to go in handcuffs. Ma'am, leave the
Goodbye.
property.
Thank you so much for letting me handle my medical issues. What is your name?
Officer.
And
Yep.
thank you for not helping me.
Okay.
You do not know
We
that
offered you
too.
the medics. If you want to go to the hospital, we'll call the medics for you.
I don't need the medics.
Okay, well then you need to leave the property.
I was handling my issues.
For
I'm
an
going
hour.
to school.
You need to leave.
Doesn't matter how long it takes. If I'm an hour, there's 2 bathrooms. Motherfuckers can
They
use
don't have to
both
let
of
you
them.
use it
Why?
because it's a private entity.
Okay, and if I was buying something, that's
They can
allowed.
deny you service.
So, can I get my food
No.
No. At this time, they
Oh,
that
don't
I
want your
paid
service.
for?
Nope. They don't want you
They don't
back on
want
their
your
property
service.
for a year.
You
If you
leave.
come back, you go to
You
jail.
don't even know my name.
We don't need to know your name. If you come back, you're going
You
to
don't know
jail.
my name.
We know your face.
I know
It's
my
recorded.
property. I know my rights, and y'all are f***ing ridiculous, and I'm going to report you
All right.
right now.
Did they sell her food?
I guess it's allowed her. So did you guys allow her?
No, she'll leave.
I'm saying, did you guys allow her? Because you guys didn't come in.
She's saying no.
She said she's talking with a cop about the situation, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm out.
I just got food. What are you doing?
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
What are you doing? She just
You're
said
under
I
arrest.
could order food. What are you doing? You just said I could order food. She just said I could order food.
You're under arrest.
Really?
No, just arrest her.
Wait. I know my rights. Wait.
Don't fight.
Wait.
You fight, you're gonna get hurt.
Wait.
I'm telling you. Put your hands together.
Girl, did you not just order food? Did you not just
Hold
say
on.
I could order food?
You told me you're talking
God,
that
she's been detained right now as well.
You just told me that.
I was on the phone with them and I asked you if I could order food. Now I have to call them again.
Relax.
Can I please just,
Relax.
can you please stop?
You're under arrest.
Can you please
Right
stop?
now,
No,
right
you're
now.
under
For what?
Right now,
Trespassing.
relax.
For what? For
Trespassing.
what? For what? You just said I could order food.
No, you went to the bathroom and I told you they just told you to leave and then you say you're talking to them.
Let's go.
Please, can
Let's
I
go.
get my food? That's my phone.
Your phone's right here.
Your phone, we got your phone.
Bro, what the? You just said I could order food. Bro, what the? What? Dude.
Relax.
Can I
Relax.
please make a phone call?
Relax. Relax right now.
To your manager.
Relax right now.
I was just on the phone with the company. Let me make a phone call.
Hey, can you relax?
No, I can't. She just said I could order food.
We told you weren't allowed back on the property.
And she said that it was okay. She just said it was okay. I don't understand. Just let me get something to drink. I have a medical issue.
Simple. Well, then we'll get you medically cleared before you go to jail.
Please.
What's your medical issue?
I need to make a phone call. I have intussusception. Please.
Do not fight it. You're not getting away with this. Do not fight it.
Please.
You're gonna get more charges. We told you we'd give you several chances.
Please.
And someone to agree when you're going down this episode.
Can I please just get my drink?
Yep.
Please. Can you please just go get my drink? I need to make a phone call. I was just on the phone with your company. This doesn't make sense. You said I was able to order food.
Well, we told you already not to come back.
And then I asked her, I said I
man,
lost
that
my
way.
nail in the
Turn.
bathroom. Can she come out and talk to you?
Yep, she already told us.
I need to make a phone call. I need to make a phone call. Please, officer, please. Please, I will not resist. Can you please just let me
Just
make
relax.
a phone
Just
call?
relax. Just
I've
relax for
done
now.
nothing wrong.
Can you relax for now so I can take this off?
I've done nothing wrong. I know my rights. You are violating me of my rights. You're violating me. You're violating me and my rights.
Stop clenching.
You are violating me and my rights.
After the trespass warning was issued, officers communicated a 1-year bar from the premises. The subject then returned, claiming a staff member authorized her to come back to order food. This creates a genuine legal issue. Under Florida trespass law, the same authority required to issue a trespass notice is required to revoke one. A frontline employee whose authority to countermand a police-documented trespass directive is unverified does not automatically carry that power. Officers proceeded with arrest without resolving that question on camera. That decision is legally defensible, but it created an unnecessary factual dispute that the prosecution will now need to resolve. On use of force, the Supreme Court established, in Graham v. Connor, 490 United States, 386, 1989, that force must be judged by an objective reasonableness standard, from the officer's perspective. At the moment of decision, the subject was passively resisting, refusing to clasp her hands, pulling away, tensing her arms. Officers responded with soft, empty hand control. No weapons, no OC spray, no strikes. That response is proportionate to passive resistance and survives the Graham versus Connor reasonableness analysis. The resisting charge is governed by Florida Statute Section 843.02, a first-degree misdemeanor. Florida courts have interpreted this statute to include passive physical resistance during a lawful arrest. Refusing handcuffing commands and tensing the arms are sufficient to satisfy the statutory elements. The subject did not need to threaten or strike anyone to face this charge. Combined exposure trespass under Section 810.09 and resisting without violence under Section 843.02, both first-degree misdemeanors. Maximum penalty up to 1 year in jail and $1,500 in fines per count. The subject's strongest available defense is the unauthorized revocation argument that she reasonably relied on a staff member's permission to return. If defense counsel can establish that the employee had actual or apparent authority to grant access, it creates reasonable doubt on the willfulness element. Whether it succeeds depends on that employee's role and whether management had authorized her to speak.
Turn around.
Ugh.
What are you reaching for?
You are violating me and my rights. I'm trying to get my nail that just broke off. I don't need to be going to jail over going to the bathroom. I need to make a phone call.
Listen, you need to stop. You need to stop,
Tell
okay?
the lady to come out here, please. I already reported you guys.
Yeah, you did. And that's good. That doesn't mean that you could have come back. Let's put her in the car.
I need my
She might have more on her. That's why
I
I
need
called.
my drink. Can please one of you get my drink?
No.
Please.
Stop. What you're doing right now is not helping.
What you're doing is illegal. Don't take her off. Do not take my grandmother off for going to the bathroom. Please. No.
All right.
No. You just broke off all of my nails.
It's not a deal.
All right, stand up. Get in the car.
What the
West Palm Beach Police Department officers receive a B. 4 documented warnings before arrest. Medical assistance offered and declined on the record. Force proportionate to resistance level throughout. The grade does not reach an A because officers did not resolve the reauthorization question on camera before initiating arrest. A brief confirmation from management would have eliminated that factual gap entirely. The subject receives a C+. She was lawfully trespassed, warned of the consequences of returning, and returned on the unverified word of a single employee. Each decision compounded her legal exposure. Credit for not escalating to physical violence against officers. Reduced for passive resistance that converted a single misdemeanor into 2. Restaurant management receives a B-. They cooperated and confirmed the trespass directive when asked. The grade reflects one failure, an internal communication breakdown, allowed a staff member to potentially countermand a formal trespass warning without authority to do so. 3 takeaways from this encounter. First, a private business is not public property. The right to occupy a commercial space is conditional and revocable. Asserting otherwise does not change the legal framework. It accelerates the path to arrest. Second, when officers offer medical assistance before arrest, accepting or declining that offer on the record directly affects the willfulness analysis in any subsequent trespass prosecution. Third, passive resistance during a lawful arrest carries the same criminal exposure as active resistance under Florida Statute Section 843.02. Noncompliance is not a neutral act. It is a chargeable offense. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.